In this video, we'll showcase 10 plus professional website designers offering affordable and modern web design services. Let's get started.
Hi there, I am Arif Mahmood, a professional website developer with more than 4 years of experience. I specialize in building modern, user-friendly websites that are both visually appealing and highly functional. My focus is on creating fast, responsive, and seamless web experience using technologies like React.js, Next.js, Node.js, and MongoDB. Additionally, I specialize in delivering top-notch UX design services, ensuring a seamless user experience. My team and I are committed to providing you with the best support and solution within your budget. From front-end design to back-end development, we ensure that every feature works smoothly and efficiently. Let's collaborate to bring your website idea to life and create something amazing together.
Hello everyone, are you thinking about building a website for your business or portfolio? Look no further, you are in the right place. I don't just build a website, I create digital experiences that connect to people and convert them. As a full-stack developer, I use React.js and Next.js for the front-end development. On the back-end, I use Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. I always focus on creating high-performance websites that are both visually engaging and user-friendly. Let's make your dream website a reality. Send me a message and let's get started.
Are you looking for a beautiful, modern WordPress website for your business that will help you increase your business growth? Well, your search ends here. We specialize in crafting stunning websites that not only captivate your audience, but also elevate your business to new heights. We offer a comprehensive range of website services that will suit your specific needs. Whether you need an e-commerce platform, a service-based site, a corporate hub, a nonprofit showcase, or an educational portal, we've got you covered. Our expertise ensures top quality design and functionality, optimizing websites for both users and search engines. What are you waiting for? Inbox me. I'm waiting to get started.
Hi there, I am Tawhid, a full-stack web developer with over 5 years of experience. I specialize in creating seamless user experience and robust backend system using technology like React, Node.js, and MongoDB. I love collaborating with designers, product managers, and fellow developers to bring ideas to life, whether a pair programming or code reviews. I believe that great ideas come from working together and learning from each other. If you are looking for a dedicated and collaborative developers to join your project, let's connect. I am excited to work with you.
Hello there, I am Tariqul Islam, a full-stack web developer and software developer with expertise in PHP, Laravel, HTML, React, and Node.js. With years of experience building high-performance web applications, I offer a range of service from custom website development to full-page software solutions. Whether you need a dynamic front-end, a powerful back-end, or seamless API integrations, I have got you covered. I specialize in creating user-friendly, responsive, and scalable web applications. I take pride in delivering high-quality code and solution tailored to meet your need. Let's work together to turn your ideas into reality. Check out my gig and send me a message to get started. I look forward to working with you. See you soon on Fiverr.
Hello, I am Joy, a full-stack web developer with over 3 years of experience building efficient and user-friendly websites. I specialize in creating seamless user experience and reverse system using technology like React.js, Next.js, Express.js, MongoDB. I am passionate about collaborating with designer, product manager, developer to transform idea into exceptional digital solution. If you are looking for a dedicated and result-driven developer to contribute to your project, let's connect. I am excited to work with you.
Hello, you need a website? Something that looks good, feels good, and just work? That's where Squarespace comes in. It's clean, it's smooth, and the best part, you don't have to worry about the tech stuff. I'll build it for you. It will be nice and easy. I will keep it simple, sharp, and professional. Let's make it happen. Shoot me a message, and I'll take care of the rest.
Hi, I'm Saiful Islam, a web developer with years of experience designing modern, responsive websites. I specialize in creating unique websites that are both visually and applying easy to use. My top priority is understand your needs, deliver exactly what you want, and keep clear communication throughout of the process. I can help you creating new website or upgrade existing one. Let's work together to make your vision reality. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Ismail, a full-stack website developer with over 6 years of experience in building a scalable website, web application, CRM, and SaaS projects. I build websites with vision to fulfill the client's goal, and I always make sure that my clients are happy with the design, front-end, and back-end. I build websites using custom technologies like React.js and Next.js for the front end, and Node.js, Express.js, PHP Laravel for the backend development to ensure your website never gets slow and it's always fast. If you're hiring me, you're not hiring just one person, you're hiring an expert development team who will help you to grow your business from zero to high level. The reason clients are choosing me is because I do teamwork, I provide long-term support, and I stay online 24 hours to make sure to answer every of your query. Just give me a message and we'll take it from there.
Are you looking for a skillful stack developer to build a high-performance website or custom application? You have just found the right expert. Hey, I'm Hossein Faisal, a full-stack web developer with 3+ years of experience crafting secure, scalable, and modern web solutions tailored to your business needs. Let's bring your vision to life. Drop me a message and let's create something extraordinary together. Your business deserves the best. Let's make it happen.
Hello there, are you looking for an experienced website developer? If yes, you have come to the right place. I am Susanna, a full stack developer with expertise in both web and AI powered applications. I create a responsive website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js, and build a strong backend using Node.js, Laravel, and Django. From front-end design to back-end development, I make sure your website or app looks stunning and runs smoothly with exceptional performance. I am committed to providing ongoing support, regular updates, and continuous optimization to ensure your website or app always runs smoothly. So, are you ready to bring your vision to life? Let's create something extraordinary together. Reach out today to get started.
In this video, we'll showcase 10 plus professional website designers offering affordable and modern web design services. Let's get started.